Identify local demand and preferences for specific plants or products. Understand your target market and tailor your offerings accordingly. Quality and sustainability. Focus on producing high-quality, healthy plants and products. Implement sustainable gardening practices to appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Diversification. Diversify your product range to reduce risk and attract a wider customer base. Combine multiple income streams, such as plant sales and agritourism, to maximize profitability. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and market your products effectively. Utilize social media, a website, and local advertising to reach potential customers. Networking and partnerships. Build relationships with local businesses, such as restaurants, florists, and garden centers. Collaborate with other local farmers or gardeners to share resources and knowledge. Efficient operations. Invest in tools and technology that improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. Keep detailed records of your operations to track profitability and make informed decisions. Examples of successful gardening agribusinesses. Urban farms. Small-scale farms in urban areas that supply fresh produce to local communities. Examples include rooftop gardens, community gardens, and vertical farms. CSA programs. Community-supported agriculture programs where customers subscribe to receive regular shares of produce. Provides a steady income stream and builds a loyal customer base. Farmers markets. Selling directly to consumers at local farmers markets allows for direct feedback and building customer relationships. Online plant sales. Using e-commerce platforms to sell plants, seeds, and gardening supplies. Expands your reach beyond local markets to a broader audience. If you have a specific aspect of gardening agribusiness you would like to explore further, such as starting a particular type of garden or marketing strategies, let me know.